read and learn. Sky is so bright. Smart kids grow with moonlight.
Read and learn, shine so bright. Smart kids grow with moonlight. eSchoolify series, fun and true. Learning dreams for me and you.
Welcome to eSchoolify series.
Good morning and Assalamualaikum. Me Sayyida Maryam Nadbi from the Moonlight International Publishers. My dear students, how are you? I hope you all are fine. Today, we are going to learn uppercase and lowercase letter E, its formation, its vocabulary words, and a good thing. After that, a short story. Okay? So, let's start how to write capital letter E. Start from first line, come straight down, make a sleeping line, make an other sleeping line, make an other sleeping line. Okay? Start from the dot, come straight down, make sleeping line, make sleeping line, make an other sleeping line. It will make capital E. Start from second line, make sleeping line, go up, round and stop. It will make small e. The letter name is E and the sound of E is eh. The sound of E is eh, eh, eh. Elbow, eh, eh. Engine, eh. The sound of E is eh, but it has two sounds like E and eh. So, eagle and ear, that is giving different sound. Okay, it is nursery class. We could give introduction of these two sounds to the kids. Okay, so E, capital E, small e, and the sound of E is eh, eh, elephant, eh, eh, engine, eh, eh, ear, eh, eh, eagle. Okay, so what is the good thing of today? Exercise regularly. Okay, do exercise on daily basis, like it should be for a short time. Okay, so you will get fresh and energetic through exercise. Now it's time. Story time. You're waiting for a story. Let's start. Look over here. Ema, the elephant, had big ears. It heard the sound of an engine. Ema looked up and saw an eagle flying. Ema smiled and wished it could fly too. Okay? What's the wish of Ema? Ema smiled and wished it could fly too. Wow! Now, I hope so you have learned a lot from letter E and its sound. Allah Hafiz. Thank you.